Hi, and welcome to the Volunteer Fire and EMS for Charles County Officer Installation. We have our new officers for this upcoming year, and for me, Charles County Volunteer Fire and EMS is close to my heart because they have always been an integral part of our community. Tonight's recipients were just outstanding. There were at least 6 people tonight that had over 50 years of service in the county. That is outstanding because that shows that their love for the county is genuine and that they are willing to serve here in our community for that extended amount of time. And so my hat's off to each and every one of our award recipients for tonight for giving such great service to the county. And next year, I look forward to giving out even more awards to our recipients who have done outstanding work in our community. Thank you, Charles County Volunteer Fire and EMS, for what you do to keep us all safe and sound in Charles County.